Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your REDMI Pad 2. So first, let's start off with a simple fix that helps a lot of people. Go to settings, now open the Wi-Fi, it should open automatically for you, and disable it, toggle it off. Now wait a couple of seconds, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and enable it back again. Now if there are still some issues, then forget the network and reconnect to it, so click this little arrow here. Now scroll down and click forget network. Now click OK, and now connect to a network and enter the password again. So I'll see you guys once I enter mine. So now if this still didn't work, then try restarting your router and the tablet. I cannot restart my router right now, but I can sure restart the tablet. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now scroll down to reboot and wait until your tablet reboots. So I'll see you guys then. And after the restart, if there are still some issues, then try and go to settings. Now go to about tablet, and here click on the Xiaomi HyperOS. It will check automatically for your software updates. So as you guys can see, I have no updates available. And if you have some, then do them, because it might be the issue of your Wi-Fi not working. And that should be it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.